If you are new to contact lenses, removing them might seem daunting at first, but it's easy once you know how, and will soon become second nature. Here's our easy guide on how to safely remove your contact lenses. Before getting started, it's always a good idea to make sure you have everything you need to hand. You'll need antibacterial soap, a lint-free towel, a well-lit mirror, your contact lens case, and your lens solution. Don't forget to get into the habit of removing the same lens first each time so you don't get confused when putting them back in the case. Using the antibacterial soap, wash your hands. Dry them thoroughly with a lint-free towel before handling your contact lenses. Never allow any water to come into contact with your contact lenses or lens case, as this increases the risk of an eye infection. This includes showering, swimming, and other water-based activities. Now you are ready to remove your lens. Look straight ahead into the mirror and check the lens is still on the coloured part of your eye. Using your opposite index finger, lift your upper eyelid, holding it firmly, centrally, and as close to the lash line as possible. With the other hand, use the middle finger to pull your lower lid down. Again, place your finger as close to the eyelashes as possible. Lower your chin slightly and look up into the mirror. Looking straight ahead, bring your index finger towards the lens. Press gently but firmly onto the surface of the lens and slide the lens down gently to the white part of your eye. It's easier and safer to remove the lens from the white part of your eye. Using the fleshy parts of your thumb and index finger, bring the edges of the contact lens together in a gentle but firm squeezing movement. If this is tricky, try stroking the lens downwards and remove the lens from the lower lid. Once you've removed your lens, place it in the palm of your hand and squeeze 1 or 2 drops of your multi-purpose lens solution onto the lens to thoroughly clean it. Don't use tap water with your lens or case, as it contains tiny bacteria that can cause an eye infection. With your little finger, gently stroke the lens back and forth for 10 to 15 seconds from the center outwards, then turn the lens over and repeat. Now rinse the lens with a small amount of solution. For peroxide solutions, please use as directed. Peroxide solutions must never be used to rinse your contact lenses or lens case. If your multi-purpose solution came with a barrel case, then carefully place the lens in the center, over the dome, before closing the clasp and placing in the solution. If you have a normal lens case, place the lens in the correct side and add fresh multi-purpose solution to the fill line and close the lid. Place your lens in the case before adding solution, as this will help prevent any damage. Repeat for the other eye. Now you are all done. We hope you enjoyed the freedom of contact lenses. Time to pop your glasses back on. If you need any more advice or are having any difficulties, please contact your optician, who will be happy to help.